Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we quickly find average count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, and sum of the data without using formulas. Let me show you how. So in this simple example, if I want to find out the sum of this column, average of this column, minimum and maximum value of this column, and I don't want to use formula, so what I will do, I will select this column or select those cells, and here at the bottom you can see it's showing average value. Average is 450, count is 5, sum is 2250. So if I want to find out the minimum maximum value of this data as well, so I will just right click right next to where average is showing average, right click, and options will come up. Now you can see the minimum option is untick and maximum option is untick as well. If I tick this one, click this one as well, it will appear at the bottom with the minimum and maximum value. There is another option which is numerical count. If I click this one, so it will count the numerics within the data as well. So if I just click here, and now at the bottom you can see it's showing average, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, and sum. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's showing 6 value, and otherwise I have to use 6 formulas to find out the data. This is simple example. You have like a very long column with like multiple and like thousands of cells within it. So then you need to use the quick method to find out the average, sum, minimum, and maximum value. So if I want to untick or remove any option, I will right click and then I will simply click here and it will uncheck this option. This one I just want to keep average, count, and sum values at the bottom. So click on the side. Now it will reduce to average, count, and sum. So this is how you can quickly find these values without using formula. Let me know guys if you know any other best method to find out these values without using formula, and I'll see you guys in next video.